Good morning, students. Today we are going to set our focus on the topic telling time. Chapter 5, starting on page number 30 of your textbook titled Excursions 3 and is being submitted to you on 24th May 2021. All the students may kindly open page number 30 of your textbooks and be ready with your social studies notebooks for writing the questions which will be asked during the short breaks. So, dear students, kindly pay attention as I am going to explain the topic. Time is defined as a period that can be measured. Clocks and watches tell us time at any moment in a day, whereas calendars tell us time in the form of days, weeks, months, and years. First of all, we will discuss what is time. We all need time to do everyday tasks. Without time, people would find it difficult to be punctual. Time is always changing and does not have a beginning or an end. It tells us about past, present, and future events. Human beings use time to follow routines and live a steady life. A clock tells us the time of the day. Let us now discuss about knowing time using the position of the sun. In the past, people relied on sun to know the time of day. The sun always rises in the east. So, people know that when the sun came up, it is morning. At noon, the sun is right above our heads. In the evening, the sun begins to set. This happens when sun has moved to the west, which is opposite to the east. After that, everything becomes dark and night begins. So now, students, as we have read a small part of this chapter, so we will recount the topic by means of a short test. I will read out the questions and you may pause the lesson for 3 minutes and try to write the answers in your social studies notebooks. Question 1 is, what is time? Question number 2, differentiate between a clock and a calendar. As the time limit of 3 minutes is over, let us discuss the answers now. Answer 1, time is defined as a period that can be measured. Answer number 2, clocks tell us time at any moment in a day, whereas calendars tell us time in the form of days, weeks, months, and years. Let us now discuss about shadows and time. Time can also be observed by looking at our shadows. In the morning and evening, we have longer shadows. At noon, when the sun is over our head, our shadows become short. After people learned that the sun does not stay at one place and it moves from east to west, they created simple sundials, also called shadow sticks, and also hourglass to know the time. The sundials uses the position of the sun to tell time. It is round with the tall pointer at the center. At the edges, different numbers are showing the different times of the day. The hourglass is made of two glass cups joined together by a thin glass tube. The upper glass cup has sand that passes to the cup through a small tube. It can be designed to measure a minute to an hour. Students, let us revise what we have learned till now. So write the answers of the following. Look at the pictures and tick the correct option. First is, you have to tell this is a clock or sundial. Second is, you have to tell this is a sundial or wall clock. Next is, you have to tell this is an hourglass or pendulum. Let us discuss the answers. This is the first one is sundial, second one is wall clock, and third one is hourglass. That's all for today, children. Thank you.